Hi, I'm Danielle. Today we're going to go over a few items that you'll need to get started making successful video tutorials. It's a short list and not at all comprehensive, but it's enough to get you started creating videos. This list is a result of my own trial and error from when I set out to create all of these videos. Before I go over some of the basic items that you'll need to sit down and think for yourself, what do you plan on using these materials for? Are you going to be recording podcasts? Are the podcasts for one person, or will you be recording multiple people at once or at different times? Where are you going to be using it? Are the microphones going to be stationary, or are you planning on being in motion? Do you need a particular skill set for what you're trying to do, or do you have the availability of the equipment to do it with? These are all things that you'll need to keep in mind as you set out to record your own video tutorials or podcasts. Before you get started, you'll need a microphone accessories, recording software, a webcam if you want the audience to see your face, and a quiet place to do your recordings in. I've compiled a list of ones that I have used with success, and I'm going to share them here now. Again, this is not a comprehensive list. It is just equipment that I found most useful to me, and it's actually quite reasonably priced, particularly if you are just starting out and funds are an issue. Let's start by taking a look at 3 different microphones you might want to consider purchasing for your recordings. This first microphone here is the Blue Snowball Ice Condenser microphone. This microphone is a USB microphone, which means that you don't need any special cables or adapters to use it with your computer. It's unidirectional, also known as cardioid, which means that it records only in one direction. This is a really good beginner microphone because if you have a tendency to move around a lot or speak with your hands when you're talking, it will still catch the sound evenly and you won't notice much of a variation in your recording. In the picture shown here on Amazon, the microphone is, well, just the microphone. It does come with a little small stand if you want to use that for your recordings. It can also be mounted on a larger stand that's compatible with its base. All of the microphones that I'm going to show you are plug and play. This means that you don't need any special software or drivers. You just plug it into your computer and you should be able to use it almost instantly. This microphone tends to run about $50 or so on Amazon, and you can get it in either white or black. The next microphone is the Audio-Technica ATR 2100. This is actually the microphone that I'm using right now to record this tutorial. Out of box, this microphone comes with both USB and XLR cables. USB obviously is for use with your computer, but XLR also offers you integration with a standard sound system like you'd find in an auditorium. That's one of the reasons I actually like this microphone. Another reason that I like this microphone is I found when compared side by side with the Snowball Ice Condenser mic that it seemed to reduce a lot of the unwanted background noise when I was recording. So that was one of the bigger bonus features for me. It's also plug and play, and out of box it comes with a stand that you can use. It also fits into a standard microphone clip, which is another bonus over the Blue Snowball Ice Condenser microphone because it doesn't fit into a standard microphone clip, although it does screw down into a base. This microphone tends to run about $60 or so on Amazon and is pretty sturdy. I've dropped it a few times. The last microphone I wanted to show you is the CyberAcoustics CVL 2004. This is a USB microphone, and it actually offers you the option of omnidirectional or unidirectional. This means that you can record from all sides. This particular feature is helpful if you are doing a podcast and have someone that you're interviewing, so that you both can share one microphone. It's also useful if you have a group that will be singing around the microphone as well. One of the solid perks about this microphone is that it could be used as omnidirectional or unidirectional, so you can toggle that part on and off, which is really nice. This microphone is plug and play, and it's on the pricier side because of the switch between omnidirectional and unidirectional, and it runs about $90 on Amazon. It does come out of box with its own stand, although you can screw it onto a base at the bottom, just like the Snowball microphone. All 3 of the microphones that I've shown you also have the option to plug a headset into the bottom of them so that you can hear directly what your sound is like as you're recording it. This is a pretty nice feature for all of them. I hope you found this helpful, and I'd like you to check out some of my other videos down here at the bottom. And thanks for watching.